Success in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about who you decide to be before you even open your laptop. The version of you that wins, the one with the high-yield portfolio, the 800 credit score, and the calm confidence in a volatile market, doesn't get there by accident. They get there through a set of non-negotiable daily rituals. While the rest of the world is reacting to the news, the winner is executing a plan. Today, I'm showing you the 4 daily habits that separate the wealthy from the wishing. This is how you build the version of you that wins. The winner starts their day with awareness, not avoidance. In 2026, money moves at the speed of fiber optics. Habit number 1 is the 90-second audit. Before you check social media, you check your capital. You open your primary accounts and look at 3 numbers: your available cash, your pending transactions, and your daily investment performance. Most people are afraid of their bank balance. The winner is in a constant conversation with it. This removes the fear of the unknown and keeps your financial goals at the front of your brain all day long. The version of you that wins understands that trading time for money is a loser's game in the AI age. Daily, they spend at least 15 minutes on asset cultivation. This could be reviewing your automated stock buys, refining a side hustle algorithm, or learning a high-value skill that pays dividends. In 2026, if you aren't building a system that makes money while you sleep, you are working for someone who is. Winners don't ask, "How can I work more hours?" They ask, "How can I make my capital work harder?" Discipline is the ultimate flex in 2026. With one-click AI marketing designed to hunt your dopamine, the winner uses the 24-hour buffer. They never buy a non-essential item the moment they want it. They add to cart, then walk away. If the desire is still there 24 hours later, they evaluate it against their long-term goals. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. When you stop leaking small amounts of capital on impulse, you suddenly find the extra money you thought you didn't have for investing. Finally, winners track progress like athletes. They don't wait for the end of the year to see if they've succeeded. Every evening, they identify one financial win. Did you resist an impulse spend? Did you contribute an extra $20 to your Roth IRA? Did you read one page of a finance book? These micro-wins build the neural pathways of a wealthy person. You don't become rich and then act disciplined. You act disciplined daily, and the wealth is the inevitable result. Finally, winners track progress like athletes. They don't wait for the end of the year to see if they've succeeded. Every evening, they identify one financial win. Did you resist an impulse spend? Did you contribute an extra $20 to your Roth IRA? Did you read one page of a finance book? These micro-wins build the neural pathways of a wealthy person. You don't become rich and then act disciplined. You act disciplined daily, and the wealth is the inevitable result. The version of you that wins is already inside you. You just have to give them the right habits to work with. If you're ready to commit to the winner's routine, type "committed" in the comments below. This is next level you. Ignore the noise. Let's get to work.